Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do RAIDER for Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the middle of his head with a line across and slightly upwards on the right side. Turn it diagonally up on the right ending point. Semicircle turn to the right. Semicircle turn downwards. Semicircle turn to the left. Turn it diagonally upwards at that corner and turn it upwards. Mirror that same ear shape on the left side. Below the ear on the left, curve line downwards, flare it out to the left with diagonal line and semicircle turn diagonally inwards, flare it back outwards and turn it downwards. Below the ear on the right, curve line downwards, flare it out to the right and semicircle turn back diagonally inwards at the lower point. Curve line downwards below that and flare it back out. Below the ear at the inner corner, a line downwards at that point. Curve line outwards to the left and slightly downwards. I'm gonna do the same thing for the left ear and mirror that on the left side. Now for the inner line of his hoodie, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line from the left side of his head upwards to the right. Turn it back downwards on the right side, extend it downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it back downwards and semicircle turn to the left. At that ending point, I'm going to draw the zipper of his hoodie with a rectangular shape in the middle point. And on the left side of that zipper, continue the line across to the left. Turn it diagonally up and semicircle turn upwards at that corner. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw at the upper point a small rectangular shape at that middle point. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the left, turn it downwards at the outer corner. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side of his mask. Now on the left side of the mask, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at that edge of the hoodie, semicircle turn to the right, curved line across to the right, turn it back upwards on the right side with a curved line. Inside of the mask, I'm going to draw the eye socket with an oval shape off center to the left. And inside of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across at the upper point, like that. And below that, a line across for the upper line of his eye. Turn it diagonally down on both sides. A line across for the lower line of his eye. In between the two lines, I'm going to draw a circular shape in the middle point for his pupil. Mirror the whole thing on the right side of his face. Below the eye, I'm going to draw the nostril of the mask with a short line diagonally across from the middle point, off center to the left, slightly downwards. Mirror that same line on the right side. Below the nostril, I'm going to draw a V shape, like that. And below that V shape from the middle point, a small arch curve line to the left. Turn it downwards at the outer corner, across to the right. Turn it up and mirror the whole thing on the right side. Inside of that shape, a line downwards in the middle point. the outer corner of the teeth, I'm going to draw a short line downwards on both the left and right. And below the teeth, I'm going to draw 2 lines downwards, each on the left and right. At the side of his nose, I'm going to draw 2 small rectangular shapes for the whisker, like that, and mirror that on the right side. Below the whisker, at the outer corner, curve line downwards, semi-turn to the side of the teeth, and mirror that same line on the right side of his face. Along the side of his mask, I'm going to draw 4 dots. At the side, on the left right there, and at the outer corner of his whisker, a dot at that corner, and another dot below the whisker. Copy the same thing on the right side of his face. Above the left eye, I'm going to draw a dot at that corner, and above that, on the left and right, a black dot on each sides, and above that, in the middle point, a black dot, and on the left and right side of that, another dot on each sides. Mirror that same set of dots on the right side. Below his head on the left, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape, and I'm going to leave a gap at the upper point, like that. And at that gap, I'm going to draw a long rectangular shape in the middle point, downwards. At the side of that, at the upper corner, I'm going to draw another rectangular shape on the left, and mirror that same rectangular shape on the right side. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner. Copy that same set of shape at the lower right corner. In between the 2 set of shape, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across at this upper corner, and another similar diagonal line at this lower point. Continue those diagonal lines at the upper corner on the left, and a line across at the ending point above. And continue those diagonal lines downwards to the right on the right corner. Semicircle line downwards at the upper point, and turn it back to the left at the lower point. On the right side of that, a line across diagonally downwards to the right at the lower point, semicircle turn up, and semicircle turn back diagonally up to the left. At the outer corner of that, on the right, I'm going to draw a diagonal rectangular shape at that corner. And above that, I'm going to draw a triangular shape, and below, a short line downwards on the left, sideways to the right, and turn it upwards. Now for his left shoulder, I'm going to draw a line out from the strap to the left, semicircle turn downwards, and flare it out to the left diagonally to his elbow point, and semicircle turn downwards and slightly in, flare it out to the right, semicircle turn inwards to his wrist, curve line across to the right on his wrist, turn it diagonally up to the right, and turn it inwards diagonally to the left, flare it back out to the right with diagonal curve line, and turn it back diagonally inwards to the left, flare it slightly out on his elbow point, and turn it diagonally up to the right. Curve line upwards to the outer corner of his shoulder at that point. Below his wrist, I'm going to draw his hand with curve line downwards on the left corner, turn it diagonally inwards to the right, across to the right, semicircle turn up, and turn it diagonally up to the left. Above that ending point, I'm going to draw his thumb with curve line across and slightly down to the right, turn it up, and turn it back diagonally up to the left. Below the thumb, at the inner corner, I'm going to draw a short line downwards at that point. At the inner corner of his arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and inwards to his waist. Flare it back out to the left and turn it diagonally inwards. Curved line diagonally down to the left below that ending point. Turn it inwards towards his knee point and flare it back outwards diagonally at the side of his knee. Semicircle turn diagonally inwards to the right, and below that, flare it back out diagonally to the left and turn it downwards. Flare it back outwards at the side of his ankle point and turn it back diagonally in to the right. Below that, I'm gonna flare it out with diagonal line to the left and turn it back inwards diagonally to the right. Now for his right shoulder, I'm going to draw at the lower right corner of his hoodie a diagonal curved line across to the right and slightly downwards. Semicircle turn downwards and turn it diagonally out to the right. Flare it out at that corner and turn it back diagonally in. Below that ending point, curved line downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it back inwards towards his wrist and flare it out. Turn it back diagonally inwards to the left. Curved line across to the left at that corner. Flare it out on the left corner and turn it back inwards and up above that. Curved line diagonally upwards and to the left. Below the wrist, I'm going to draw his hand with curved line downwards at the outer corner on the right. Turn it downwards and sideways to the left. Semicircle turn upwards. Above that ending point and slightly to the right, curved line diagonally down to the left for his thumb. Turn it up and turn it diagonally up to the right. Turn it upwards. Below the thumb, I'm going to draw a short line downwards at the inner corner right there. Above the strap on the right corner, I'm going to draw a short curved line upwards. Turn it diagonally up to the outer corner of his shoulder. And above the strap, below the hoodie, I'm going to draw a curved line across. At that point, semicircle turn upwards on the right side. Below the zipper, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the left corner. Continue that curved line below the strap. And on the right side of that, another similar line at that corner. A line across at the ending point below. Below the strap on the right, I'm going to draw the right side of his outfit with curved line downwards. Flare it out to the right and turn it back downwards. Below that, I'm going to flare it back diagonally out to the right and turn it back diagonally inwards. Curved line downwards below that, and on his thigh right there, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally across to the left and slightly down. Turn it downwards at the inner corner on the left. Curved line across to the inner corner of his thigh, and below that, I'm going to draw another similar curved line across. Turn it downwards. Short line across to the right. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right and curved line upwards to the ending point above. At the inner corner of his thigh, I'm going to draw a short line downwards at that ending point. Above that, a short line upwards at that corner. And above that, I'm going to draw the middle point of his legs with curved line across. Turn it diagonally down on the left side all the way to his left knee. Flare it slightly out and turn it back diagonally inwards to the left. Below that, curved line diagonally downwards to the left. Flare it back out to the right and turn it back diagonally inwards to the left. Below that, a curved line downwards. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw an arch curved line. And at the ending point of that arch curve line, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the left on both sides. Repeat that same shape again inside of that, and a line across at the lower point. Mirror that same rabbit ear on the right side of his shoe. In the middle of the rabbit ear, I'm going to draw a curved line across in the middle point. Below the rabbit ear on the left, curved line downwards, and another curved line downwards on the right side. From the ending point on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the right and stretch it downwards in the middle point. Above that, I'm going to draw another similar curved line across at that corner. And above that, I'm going to draw a circular shape in the middle point. And above that circular shape on the left corner, I'm going to draw a circular shape and a black dot inside of that. Mirror that same set of shape on the right side. For his right leg, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at the outer corner, turn it diagonally inwards to the left, curved line downwards below that, and flare it out to the right. Turn it back inwards with a curved line, turn it diagonally across to the left and downwards, semicircular turn diagonally up at the inner corner, and semicircular turn upwards. Above that ending point, slightly to the right, diagonal line across to the left and upwards, semicircular turn upwards at that corner, flare it out on his calf and turn it back inwards to the back of his knee. Above that ending point, diagonal curved line up and turn it back inwards, and a curved line upwards above that. Below the pants, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the left corner, curved line across to the right, turn it slightly diagonally downwards to the right, curved line upwards at the front tip of the shoe, and semicircular turn to the left. At that ending point, slightly below, curved line upwards, semicircular turn to the left, and curved line downwards on the left corner. Repeat that same shape again on the right corner. On the left side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw a line across at that corner. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm going to trace the same curved line from the back at this upper corner all the way to the front. And above that line, I'm going to draw a black circle at the front tip of the shoe, right there. And on the left side of that, slightly above, a small circle. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!